Hi, KMS. Welcome back. So today is Monday, February 22nd, and you just had a whole week off. It's our last full week with you guys being remote. So I just want to do a weekly update and kind of touch base with where we should be at. Some of you did get mail over February break, so please check your email. If you received a mail from me, that means that hopefully you shared your tech portfolio. So I went through my list of students that tried to turn in their portfolio or were successful in turning in their portfolio, and I mailed you home your vinyl stickers. These I was hoping you could put on your water bottle or something that you would like to be there permanently. They don't go on clothes. All of this is explained in the email. If you didn't get this from me, it means that I'm waiting for you to kind of hopefully send me your tech portfolio. So remember, that's how you're graded in tech class. So this is just kind of a thank you for doing your part in our first 2 weeks together and getting your stuff turned into me. So this week, our weekly goal is we're going to continue with CAD. We're not going to jump right in and mesh our coding with Scratch and our 3D printing. I want to make sure that I'm able to 3D print things before we really ramp that up. So I did want to explore a little bit more CAD options, and this is in terms of planning your dream workspace, your dream room. If you'd like to go ahead and design a whole dream home, you can do that as well with Floor Planner. It's a really easy program to use in CAD. I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to sign up for it today on Monday. And when you sign up for it, you're going to want to make sure that you're using your Google ID. So once you sign up for it, then Floor Planner works with just like any other software that we've used, works with your Google account. So pick that Lansingburg account, and then you can design as many different projects as you like. Your first dream room should have a door, should have a window, some place for you to sleep, some place for you to store your things, and some place for you to be able to work. So if you were working from home, which you have been, what would your dream room space look like? You can also include a bathroom. This could be a half bath, meaning just a toilet and a sink, or it can be a full on bath. So if you want to have a shower, bathtub, all that good stuff, have at it. It's your dream space. You can also pick if you'd like to do dining. So if you'd like to have a kitchenette or full on dining room space in there, you can do that. So we're going to get started with that today. You are going to sign up for Floor Planner today and we'll be using it all week. So tomorrow you'll continue your design. It takes a lot of getting used to because you're going between 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. So we were working in 3D CAD where you could see all sides. Sometimes you might only want to see like the top view of things, like the floor plan of something. So you're going to be going in between these views. So that's what we'll be working on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we're going to actually use the dimensions. So just like in Tinkercad, how they had dimensions for the size of your 3D prints, you can size things to real world. And it's really nice that the dimensions just pop right in there for you. So we are going to talk about how you can apply the math. Hopefully by now you've done perimeter and area, you find X. This is very useful math in terms of being able to find like the square footage. How much carpet do I buy? How much tile do I buy? What is it going to cost to heat this space? So these are things that you can find out with just a little bit of math. So we'll go through how dimensions help you basically turn this into a technical drawing. On Thursday, we'll end up taking all of your stuff from Tuesday, Wednesday, and putting it where? Yes, that's right, your tech portfolio. So your portfolio will get updated for a grade on Thursday. You'll have a link to Floor Planner. You'll have basically screenshots of your floor plan from the top view. You'll have screenshots, hopefully multiple, of different 3D renderings. So what does it look like in like the sim view? We'll show you how to get the items that you used in your design and a bill of materials, because I want you to see basically you can turn these things into Google Sheets. You can turn it into data. How much do things cost, right? So Friday we'll wrap up, kind of go from talking about Google Sheets and Floor Planner to Google Sheets in your own life. The following week, students will be returning to the building. Eighth graders, you don't come in until that Wednesday, so we'll still be remote for Monday and Tuesday, March 1st and March 2nd. But if you signed up and you're good and you're coming back to the building, we want to make sure that everyone knows we're all going to be on the same schedule. So your remote schedule will no longer look like this. We're going to talk about your in-person schedule. You'll follow that schedule even if you're staying remote. So if we're just going to be seeing each other through computer screens, you're still going to follow the in-person schedule. So we just want to make sure that everybody knows where they're going, and we're going to make it look pretty. So Google Sheets is a way that you can organize your data and organize your life. So we're going to make your school schedule for both the AC days and the BD days. So that's pretty much our week. So you'll get a grade hopefully for your work when you update your portfolio on Thursday. And so far, let me just see, I can't get it to my little bubbles out of the way here. These are your grades as of Friday, like this coming Friday on the 26th. Basically, did you turn in a tech portfolio? Did you create a coding page where we showed off an interactive game? Did you start a CAD page before break where we did Tinkercad? And this week we did Floor Planner. So hopefully by the end of this week, your CAD page will be looking really good with two-dimensional drawings and your 3D renderings as well as your math. So we'll show all that stuff plus your stuff from last week, and we'll get your schedules all taken care of. All right, KMS, I'm really looking forward to this week and showing you off all things called Floor Planner. So please watch the next video and you can see how to start designing your dream room space. All right, thanks, KMS.